shifted it where he told me to, and it's
one slot more, so 632.
yeah. You should be fine.
He's buddies with Charlie. You got Charlie on the phone. I should spin that thing now.
Let me call him.
Yeah.
Come on. Then how do we do that on those 959? You'll be fine.
I think it's just a 10-2 deck, ain't it? Yeah, I think it's a 10-2 deck, 632.
Nah, it should be fine. Like most of like regular board space steel we see here, they're like race engines, right?
Right.
They do like 82, 84, 86. Yeah, it depends on what kind of heads they do and how much stroke, you know. But like, I think the largest we seen was like 741. It's still 484 board space.
Yeah.
And they rev like 8,000 plus. That's crazy. They have like 6-inch stroke.
Oh yeah.
So it's just like a 959, the smaller piece.
Yeah, that's that outlaw.
Yes, yes,
right.
Yes.
Yeah, we wondered how they get them so fast, you know, for a 632, you know.
No, there's some crazy stuff out there.
Yeah.
75. It's a little off, but like not far. It was 74. So it's here, right? What is the number that you saw? On the first dip? Yeah, first dip. 2900 is where it starts. So it's actually here.
On the ridge side.
Yeah. That's when the converter got it. Yeah, when he missed it, more likely something on this side. Not here.
2900 where
29?
Tell me how you came to be with your yellow shirt and how it has impacted your life.
Well, you need to understand how to wear a yellow shirt. It's not put it on you. You need to have like some kind of personality, a special one. So here I am, the special guy.
Sounds like a limiter, but not ours.
Could be an MSD thing.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, but running a nitrous engine too rich is not. You won't hurt it.
What the engine builders always said, that push the ring lands full of shit, sounds like. Now, Tommy Hall's told me that.
Oh yeah.
But so I've heard Buck say the same thing.
Pressure there.
Yeah. We don't have after. We got pressure here.
Huh.
So it's not passing through the solenoid, but from no one. Because we are taking both.
Here's
1 and 2.
Here's one.
Yeah.
Hot. You got the nitrous on? Shut that switch on. There you go.
Let me make sure.
I'm trying to figure out why that damn plunger looks like that. That kid ain't never been turned on.
But we have hit it.
Yeah, but just a few times to check it. I mean, it could. I mean, they're pretty soft.
Oh, like it's got the.
Yeah, that's what a progressive does to it. Beats the shit out of that. it closes and pushes that down jet right there, or that jet paper. When it progresses, it pumps that up and down, and that's where you start squeezing around that plunger there. That's what you change when you rebuild a plunger and the spring that over and over. Pretty much easy. Come on, baby, get on there now. Damn, Jeff, fucking up your fit, bro.
I know.
I mean, if it don't work, it don't make a shit.
Yeah, it don't make a fuck.
You see light through it? You can't blow shit through that thing.
I ain't got now pounds of pressure anymore.
Have to run the screen.
That's yeah, that's what comes with it. I mean, it's supposed to be crashed that cylinder.
But I mean, you feel like you're blowing pretty hard through that?
I'm going pretty damn hard. But I mean, you know, it normally you turn on the valve.
You feel it coming out the other side?
And now, it's pretty free feeling.
Let's just throw it out right now.
Did you see something fly out, or was that a fly over now?
Is that the screen?
I see it.
No, the screen's still in.
I mean, there's nothing there, just a
No, shading looks
floor.
clean.
I wonder if that plunger actually moves far enough.
Down. Well, that's what when it activates, that's what it does. Pulls that plunger.
No, that's
That
what I'm
coil
saying.
pulls that plunger.
But I wonder how far it's.
I'm trying to, why is that coil so that, why is this so hot? Because I can tell
I
you.
checked it electrically. It's
Oh. I mean, mine don't, I got an induction solution kit, mine is never hot. I pulled them apart when I got back from the past,
Yeah,
and it's just like that right there.
right.
Damn, that thing is hot.
I know it.
And the motor ain't running. And that rag ain't hot. Alright. We got noxious there.
okay.
Check the purge, hit the purge one time. And that cooled it off.
Everybody clear?
Yeah, check the purge.
Okay, we got nitrous.
Got noxious here.
I know it, man. Fuck.
Alright, find it back there.
Going in that motherfucking mouth.
So that,
Damn!
that'll cool it off.
I don't know. Probably that's a dead bottle, is my guess.
Yeah, but it would have blown the air out. It wouldn't have blown nothing out. It would have blown the air, just air out.
That, or it's too much pressure.
Yeah.
You want to do a test?
I've never-
Keep that bottle up until it says 1100 on there again and see if no
No.
shit comes out.
No, we won't do that. I've never seen it. I'm telling you, I've had the 1450 PSI. Now, I didn't try to shoot it through the solenoid, but I have used it through this solenoid and the purge solenoid are the same exact solenoid. And I have purged 1,450 pounds out of the fuel solenoid.
Yeah, but its plunger is physically smaller, so it has less surface area.
You get the physics and shit with me. You gotta stop that physics shit, man. I'm like 1 + 1, 3/16 and shit, man. I'm a machine to stop that.
How much do you get? How much is that?
I think it's
Enough to spray out.
Now we got nitrous.
all right, we got it now.
970.
So that's all I got also.
Well, no, his system is flowed at 1,000.
Yeah, so
That's what he tells you. That's what we've always run these Swatcher. Induction Solutions is flowed at 900.
Or we are not getting 100% of water.
I checked it with a test light now.
Everything tested.
Well, let's get it now. We just seen it.
Something somewhere.
Maybe that's what that just did.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, the accuracy of
We spent the same, 1,000, but we had the bottle pressure right at 1,200.
Yeah, and not that saying like with my solenoids in particular,
Right.
it'll lock them out above
Right.
11.
But what were you using to measure your bottle pressure before?
I had a mechanical gauge.
Are you sure that that was right?
I know.
No, and I mean-
That's what
I
I'm
mean,
saying.
like
Like maybe
some kids-
1100 on that sensor is like your gauge would be like 1250,
Right.
something like that.
Right.
Whatever. You know what I mean?
Yeah, like you say, we did just mechanical shit, mechanical gauge before. So, what system do you run?
Yeah, like I have a dragster, but I just run my kit to bracket race. I just use it, you know. It's like a 600
Cheap,
kit.
yeah.
Yeah, but it's big, right? Like,
Right.
I spray the balls off of it, but just to race, right?
I got you.
But yeah, like if I'm out in the sun, especially in the dragster where it's out in the sun, if I let that shit get above 1150, 1200, like click, 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 click.
What's up, guys? Camera Tech Support Supervisor here at FuelTech USA with Jeffrey Talvacchio. I think I got it.
Yeah, you got
Did
it.
I get
that
it?
time.
I got it.
Yes, sir.
So he brought in his, I think it's a Camaro, not a Firebird, right?
Yes, sir.
Brought in his Camaro. It's got a really nice Buck 632 engine in it. You guys race top Sportsman and just play around with some other local
Yep.
stuff, right?
450 and 470 heads up.
Okay. It's carbureted, so yes, we can run carbureted engines, do all your logging. This one happens to have us doing all the nitrous control and everything. Why don't you give us kind of a rundown of how the day went? It was quite eventful, but we ended up figuring everything out. So, how did it go?
It went great. A lot of hiccups, but got it figured out at the end of the day. So it was well worth the trip from North Carolina.
So we had some nitrous solenoid stuff that we figured out was too much bottle pressure. We had just some overall new car blues kind of stuff, right?
Yep.
New parts, new converter. The converter was a little bit tight, so now you can adjust that.
Yes, sir.
All the new stuff that's really easy to work out as you come to the dyno, and instead of going to the track and wasting a whole day and having to make a pass and then tow the car back, cool it down, all that kind of stuff, it's way easier to do here. So we were able to figure out all that kind of stuff, and at the end of the day, we made 1569 to the wheels, which is pretty sporty. So hopefully you guys have a really good time with it. You're gonna do some races coming up in a few weeks, I think you said,
Yeah,
right?
PDRA in Virginia. We're hoping if we get a new converter and ready to go racing.
All right, well, you heard it from the man. He's ready to go racing, and we'll see you guys next time.